Good morning, everyone. My name is Edgar Rodolfo Garces, and today we talk about a wearable care. A wearable device is a monitor case to detect, monitor indicators, for example, heart rate, oxygen levels, physical activity, and sleep. And send personality alerts to users or medical professionals. Where on the idea? The idea was born from a common medical emergency and that required creation of a stable device. We, an engineer and programmer, we developed prototype and participate university circles, university contests, we're able to secure funding. After pilot test, we launched the first batch successfully. The question is, what is this project important for older people? This project supports older people and now we have monitoring every problem detection and time alerts, enhancing their independence and overall well-being. This is on social media, Instagram, Wearable Care Official, WhatsApp, 317-483-0804, and Facebook, Wearable Care. Thank you.